Okay, they're just growing through. Again, variation, having some variations of tones, um, different tones running through, actually creates a lot more interest. You can start restating as well. Again, like I was mentioning before, restating some of these branches. Okay, you might even go into the trunk and think, hey, that trunk needs to be a little bit larger, so you can increase that. Okay, but while that area of the background of the tree, kind of the greeny leaves and stuff, is starting to dry, this is where you can form connections and create a little bit more. This is the kind of branches that go through the tree as well. So a little bit of technique, and in terms of the wet in wet, wet and dry, using some different wet in wet techniques to create different colors and tones in the tree,